Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to tell you about how to create an account on IQ option. Here you can invest in stocks and forex market. So first of all, go to sign up, then use your location and enter login credentials. You can also connect with Facebook and Google account. Just simply input your email and password. You can download the window app of this as well. For the first time it will take time to load. Let's wait for it to complete. So this is the main page of IQ options. Here we will going to be trading as well. I recommend you to use your demo account for more than 3 months. Once you get enough knowledge, then you can make your deposit in your real accounts. Here I will put a trade for you as well to show you how this platform works. So let's wait for 30 seconds. You can set a timer for 5 seconds to 4 hours. So as you guys see, this trade closes in profit. These are the deposit methods you can do. Use your currency. I recommend you to use US dollars. That is using all the world. First use is demo on for more than 3 to 4 months so you can understand how to do earnings. You need to verify your profile before you can make a deposit. Trading involves high level of risk of losing money. So you don't invest your active income and you don't rely on it for at least 1 to 2 years. That was that's it for today's videos. I will meet you in the next videos. And goodbye.